Alright, so we need 3 trays. One is going to be in the bottom without any holes. We're gonna have one in the middle with holes, and we're gonna have one in the top which is going to act as a lid. No holes here either. We're gonna have something to press the soil. We're gonna have the seeds. We're gonna have some water and also a scoop for the soil. So the first thing I do is I put this one inside of here. That is so I can water inside of later. Then I'm going to take some soil. And then I'm just going to get it out there. About 3 liters. Then going to spread it out as good as possible, especially important in the corners. So you have a even surface everywhere. After, when you have everything even, I'm going to take this one. And now we're just gonna compress it a little bit. Not too much, but just enough. After, I'm going to take my seeds. I'm going to go in a circle, more or less. That's about it. Make sure you spread them as good as possible. If you have problems, it's going to be if you have a clump like this. You don't want to avoid that. Spread them out. Then you're going to do the watering. And at this stage you can be very generous with the water. Make sure it's super saturated. When the watering is done, we're going to take our 3rd tray, add some water inside of here, and then just put it on. And then you have your tray done.